Former US President Donald Trump, who is seeking his term, has once again raised the issue of high tax by India on certain American products, in particular the iconic Harley-Davidson motorcycles, and has threatened to slap reciprocal tax if voted to power in the 2024 presidential elections. During his first term as the US president, Trump described India as a tariff king, and in May 2019 terminated India's preferential market access, generalized system of preferences to the United States, alleging India has not given the US equitable and reasonable access to its markets. In an interview with Fox Business News, Trump argued that the tax rates in India were quite high and criticized it. Talking about what he would do if he came to power, Trump said, "The other thing I want to have is a matching tax, where if India charges us, India is very big with tariffs. I mean, I saw it with Harley-Davidson. I was saying, how do you do in a place like India? Oh, no good, sir. Why? They have 100% and 150% and 200% tariffs." He noted that Indian motorbikes can be sold in the US without any taxes or tariffs, while Harley-Davidson motorcycles face high tariffs when exported to India. The former US president also criticized Brazil for its high tariffs. He mentioned a senator from Pennsylvania who opposed the idea of imposing tariffs on India in response to its high tariffs on US products. The former president questioned why the US could not charge any tariffs on Indian products if they were charging the US such high rates. If India is charging us to, what I want to have is call it retribution. You could call it whatever you want. If they are charging us, we charge them, Mr. Trump said in response to a question. Trump is the leading candidate in the Republican presidential primaries despite facing multiple court cases and indictments. According to major national polls, he has garnered over half of the GOP votes. Meanwhile, Donald Trump said on Sunday that he will skip this week's first Republican presidential debate, arguing that Americans know him well, and so there is no need for a public showdown with his rivals for the White House. In a message on his platform Truth Social, Trump touted what he called a hugely successful record as president and what he described as his popularity among the American people. "I will, therefore, not be doing the debates," he said. The first debate in the race for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination is scheduled for Wednesday in Milwaukee, Wisconsin.